Hello everyone! The video that first blew up on my channel was my how to improve your notes and handwriting video, and I wanted to share some more tips with you all to improve your notes and handwriting 2 years later. Number 1, control. The most important tip I have is that your handwriting looks better when you have the most control over your writing utensil. Take a look at how I'm writing here. My hand is more fluid and free, which means that the words I'm writing on the page are also fluid and free. While some enjoy this carefree look, for me, neat handwriting means that my words look contained instead. Now look at this example. I'm writing much more contained. I'm lifting my pen off the paper after each letter to prevent my letters from touching each other, and you can already see how much of a difference this small change makes. Number 2, friction. This kind of relates to my previous point, but the more friction you have, the more controlled your letters will be, and the neater they will look. As you can see, when I'm writing fast, there is less friction between my pen and the paper. I'm not pressing very hard on the paper, but when I'm writing with much more friction and pressing more, my letters look neater. One way you can increase the friction between your writing utensil and the paper is by using a writing utensil with a thinner tip. When I write with 0.7mm pens, there is less friction for me, which means my letters are out of control and messier. But with 0.5mm pens, there is more friction, leading my letters to look cleaner and neater overall. Number 3, the slant of your letters. For me, I personally find that my handwriting looks better when my letters are straight. As you can see in my notes here, there is a clear difference from the beginning of the year, where they are slanted, to now, where they are not, because I make a conscious decision to hold my pen perpendicular against the paper instead of loosely. Surprisingly, this also helps with increasing the friction. Number 4. Write each letter individually. As I mentioned earlier, my handwriting tends to look messy if I let the letters merge together, but by making sure to lift up my pen after each letter, I've seen a huge difference in how neat they look. Number 5, take your time. This might seem basic, but make sure you take your time so that you can form each letter perfectly. When I'm writing super fast, my handwriting gets messier, and that's natural. When I slow down, I can focus more on keeping my pen perpendicular against the paper to increase friction, which ends up improving my handwriting overall. Also, with time, I found that practicing while taking my time has made it easier for me to write neat while writing quickly. I hope some of these tips helped you all with your handwriting journey. I know that my handwriting is nowhere near perfect, but I've been trying to make a more conscious effort to improve it over time, and I think I'm doing pretty good so far. Let me know in the comments if these tips help you, and if not, leave some tips so that others can learn from you as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!